Texas lawmakers are holding their first public hearing into last summer's catastrophic 4th of July floods, a disaster that killed more than 100 people across the hill country, including 27 little girls at Camp Mystic. Lawmakers say their goal is to identify what went wrong and what could have been done better. Casey Garrett, the state's lead investigator, walked lawmakers through what went wrong at Camp Mystic, laying out a detailed minute-by-minute, cabin-by-cabin timeline. She described what she called frantic and haphazard attempts to evacuate as floodwaters rapidly rose. Garrett showed photographs and told the stories of all 27 girls who were killed, along with those who survived as well. What you are about to hear is audio from two of those survivors describing to investigators how they were pulled into the floodwaters.
But then we all fell out of the window and the water started rushing and it ran this way. And I went underwater and almost drowned, and I thought I was gonna die, but then I came to.
I couldn't breathe. I just kept going up in the water, but I wasn't breathing because I literally couldn't.
My legs are so sore.
Garrett told lawmakers that despite well-documented major flood events at the camp dating back to 1932, there was what she described as a, quote, complacent flood culture, including no formal evacuation plan. Lawmakers are expected to hear more testimony when the hearing continues tomorrow.